Welcome back to 50 Car. A car should never just be driven, it must be experienced. And the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario doesn't whisper. It roars with a soul forged in fire and precision. This isn't merely a supercar. It's a declaration of war against mediocrity, sculpted in Sant'Agata. Main features. The Temerario is Lamborghini's boldest evolution, plug-in hybrid, V8 twin-turbocharged, fused with 3 electric motors. Together, they summon 888 horsepower. It replaces the Huracán but aims higher, merging old-school fury with future-facing electric elegance. Exterior design. The front explodes with Y-shaped DRLs carved like daggers into a chiseled fascia. Air intakes dominate the lower grille, channeling aggression. The sculpted sides are deeply creased with exposed carbon elements and dihedral doors. The rear features quad taillight bars and an active wing hovering above dual exhausts. Pros: shockingly aggressive, razor-sharp presence, true Lambo DNA. Cons: low clearance is unforgiving on city streets, paint options are limited. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, it's an aerospace cockpit. Hexagonal themes flood the cabin, from air vents to the start button beneath a red fighter jet-style cover. The center stack is digital heavy, with 3 screens, including one for the passenger. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and LED ambient lighting dominate. Seats are lightweight, but deeply bolstered. Pros: futuristic layout, immersive controls, luxurious material mix. Cons: limited visibility, infotainment may feel overstyled. Performance. Powered by a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 mated to electric motors, the Temerario dashes from 0-60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. With a top speed exceeding 212 miles per hour, Lamborghini's AWD and active torque vectoring keep it pinned, while the electric boost fills every RPM gap with urgent thrust. Pros: ferocious acceleration, seamless hybrid response, corner-slicing agility. Cons: turbo lag below 3,000 RPM, and early reports cite overheating in track sessions. Battery servicing is complex and expensive. Market positioning. Priced from $310,000, the Temerario is aimed at buyers age 30-55 seeking maximum drama and cutting-edge tech. Rivals include the Ferrari 296 GTB and McLaren Artura. But the Lamborghini offers more visual aggression and road theater. It feels more alive, more audacious. Additional features. Key options include transparent engine covers, multi-layer carbon roof, and a dedicated EV driving mode. Lamborghini offers a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty, 8-year battery coverage, and bespoke personalization. A rear lift system is mandatory in cities, while ceramic brakes are standard but costly to replace.